So Ash, what do you usually do like on Christmas Day?
Well, you know, pre-COVID, I'd be working. Since COVID, I haven't been doing anything, to be honest. Just chilling, yeah. Maybe a friend will bring a plate to me. But that's about it. What about you? But me know say I probably eat, I eat. So.
Yeah.
We know say grandma always set you up.
Always sort me out. Look here. So, you know, so like you have to go Christmas dinner hopping,
Yes.
right?
Mm-hmm.
So like, of course, I have to go grandma first and then anywhere else, right? But hey, let's get into the Intense 5. Just in case you had plans to engage him in a face-off, Jay-Z says no one can compete against him in a versus battle. He says, no disrespect, but no one can stand on a stage with him. Okay, Hov, we see you.
So when I turn 30, I need to go link up Cardi B. She gifted hubby Offset $2 million. She printed one of those giant checks and presented it to him at his birthday party. Must be nice. So when you give him that for his birthday, what you give him for Christmas?
Nothing. Nothing
I
at
eat that
all.
for the rest of the marriage, you know? I eat that for the rest of the marriage.
God.
$2 million, don't ask me for nothing else.
That's insane. So, Pretty Ricky rapper Baby Blue will be chilling in prison come February 7 after he was sentenced for 2 years for his participation in a $24 million COVID relief fraud scheme. Ooh. By the way, he used the relief money to buy a $96,000 Ferrari.
A wickedness that.
Jaja.
Alia Atkinson has retired from competitive swimming. Four-time world champion and world record holder made the disclosure via her IG page. Of course, we wish her all the best and thank her for flying our flag high.
And finally holding the #1 spot this week, Joshi is definitely keeping busy in the studio. Now, after his very interesting interview on ER, he released a song titled Media, right? He got high praises from the Grung God, so why not record a song with him too? Which he did real quick. Here's a listen. That's it for the Intense 5 this week.